this one?
It's always dropping calls. I always lose it, and my bill is way too expensive.
We got the phone just for you.
What is that?
You can't read? Styrofoam.
I ain't never heard of that before.
This phone's sweet. You gonna like it. $5. $5.
But
$5.
Whatever.
What
No, this ain't take.
you think you gonna do with this? We don't take credit.
What you mean you don't take
We
credit?
don't take credit. $5.
What you mean you don't take credit?
$5.
What if I ain't got no cash?
$5. Well, you ain't getting this phone then.
Here. My phone.
You have a nice day.
You too. I don't like your attitude though. I never even heard no styrofoam before. What is this? What is this big old manual for? What? Got me a styrofoam? And it got signal. Hello.
Hey girl, what you doing?
Hey girl, what you doing?
I'm just sitting here, doing nothing. I just got done eating. I got some food in my teeth.
I got me a new styrofoam, girl. I am so happy. Do you know I got unlimited text messaging, unlimited calls, and I got signal for $5 a month, girl.
Are you serious? I got the same exact phone today, and this junk is like the bomb. I got a signal, and it don't drop calls like Metro PCS. It's like the bomb diggity.